Hello guys, so welcome back to our channel. So, today, let's know about how to install Python. So first open any web browser, and type Python and click on the first link given. Just like this guys, where you can simply type python.org on the search bar. Now once you're in the Python web page, click on the download button on the tab and then click on the download button again, and now all you got to do is, waiting until the exe file installs on your computer. Now open the program which is installed on your download folder. All you got to do is wait until it opens guys. Now click on Install Now command. And it will open User Account Control tab. Just click on Yes there. Here's an example image, just click on Yes there. Now it might take some time to install. Now you will get a message saying setup was successful. Now just click on close, and you are all done.